Let's shift our attention now. Viewers, in a no-holds-barred attack, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said that the Congress party only uses the minority community, the Muslims, as a vote bank. As per the Prime Minister, the Grand Old Party only believes in appeasing Muslim fundamentalists, and the party's opposition to the Waqf law is an example. Slamming the arbitrary changes made by the UPA in the Waqf law for votes, the Prime Minister gave an open dare to the Congress party. He said, if the party really cares about Muslims, then why doesn't it make a Muslim its party president? Why can't the party give 50% tickets in the Lok Sabha elections to Muslims? Listen in.
मैं जरा ऐसे सभियों से पूछना चाहता हूं, वोट बैंक के भूखे इन राजनेताओं से कहना चाहता हूं, अगर सच्चे अर्थ से आपके दिल में मुसलमानों के लिए थोड़ी भी हमदर्दी है, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी अपने पार्टी के अध्यक्ष मुसलमान को बनाए। क्यों नहीं बनाते भाई? संसद में टिकट देते हैं, 50% मुसलमानों को दो। जीत करके आएंगे तो अपनी बात बताएंगे, लेकिन ये नहीं करना है। कांग्रेस में तो कुछ नहीं देना है। देश के नागरिकों के अधिकारों को छीनना और देना, इनकी नीयत किसी का भी भला करने की कभी नहीं रही, मुसलमानों का भला करने की भी नहीं रही।
Now, while Rahul Gandhi remains silent, other Congress netas have called the statement ridiculous. Listen into what Sandeep Dikshit of the Congress party had to say.
I don't think I've heard anything more ridiculous than what the Prime Minister states. First of all, who is he to ask what the Congress wants to do? Look at himself. His people, daily, do diatribes against Muslims, right? There isn't a single Muslim in the entire government. I personally feel that the RSS and the BJP personally hate and dislike Muslims. So I don't think that party has any right to speak about anybody. But I think the problem with the Prime Minister is that, he's losing grip over after 11 or 12 years. He's not been able to perform. His whole charade about a great American government supporting him has fallen on its face.
Now, Digvijay Singh of the Congress party has defended the party, saying that the Congress did have Muslim presidents in the past. Listen in.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि कांग्रेस पार्टी मुस्लिमों की इतनी हितैषी बनती है, क्या किसी मुस्लिम को कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष बनाए?
देखिए, मुसलमान अध्यक्ष रहे हैं और हमें इस बात का गर्व है। अगर इनको इतनी चिंता है तो वो भाजपा का अध्यक्ष क्यों मुसलमान नहीं बना देते?
सर, कल प्रधानमंत्री ने बोलते हुए ये भी कहा कि अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी मुसलमानों के लिए इतने समय तक इतना सारा काम किया है, तो आज देश में मुसलमानों की पहचान पंचर वाले के रूप में नहीं होती। उस पर क्या जवाब है सर आपका? क्या
पंचर वाले कोई पंचर जोड़ने वाले मुसलमान ही है क्या? हिंदू नहीं है क्या? केवल मुसलमानों का टारगेट। ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी बुनियादी रूप से इस देश के अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय के विचारधारा के खिलाफ हैं, गांधी जी के खिलाफ हैं, गांधी जी की विचारधारा खिलाफ हैं। और मेरा तो आरोप है, मोदी जी आप नाथूराम गोडसे की विचारधारा के हैं और आप गांधी जी की विचारधारा के कतई नहीं हैं।
In fact, it's not just the Congress party. The India bloc allies have come out in support of the Congress party as well, laughing off what the Prime Minister has said. Listen in.
And this type of rubbish talk, this is just criminal talk. Modi is habitual to talk this type of rubbish. He had not given a single MLA and MP in the whole country, 15% population. And he is advising Congress whom to advise. It's totally anti-national talk, anti-secular talk. It is communal understanding is leading him to make such comments.
So while the India bloc leaders have said that this is a rubbish comment and have dismissed what the Prime Minister has said, the Congress party has also refused to speak up on the dare by the Prime Minister. Listen in to what the BJP has said.
Naturally, when Rahul Gandhi can find All India Muslim is like a perfectly secular party, when late Manmohan Singh can say that all resources, the Muslims have the first privilege, then well, why not the first share goes to the Muslim in the Congress? They should have a first privilege. And also in the distribution of tickets. When Wayanad can be contested by both Rahul and Priyanka, why Wayanad cannot be contested by a Muslim?
On that note, we're slipping into a short break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.